Hello everyone, greetings from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce our JD-13 strapping machine. This machine is with batteries, electric use. Here is the on and off button, and this here is for the charger. This button here is for tension, and this one is for cutter and wheeling. It's a very easy operation. This button here is to adjust the tensioning force, and this one here is to adjust the wielding time. So okay, it works for both PET and PP straps. First of all, you need to put the straps onto the button, like this. You put it on, press the handle here, press this one, put the straps on, okay, press the tension handle, press this one, cut and wielding, remove it, see, like this. And for PP strap, make sure your straps is the very soft straps. This one is a little hard. No, if it's too soft, it will not working for the cutting, and you need to contact us to get a video to adjust the machine. The straps need to put it on this way. Also need to be in the same line. Press this handle, put the straps on, press the tensioner, press this one for welding and cutting. It's shining. After that, it's finished. Okay. Remove it. See, it's very nice. That's all. Thank you for watching.